There are two free tools that just changed what a solo operator can deliver to clients. One is from Google. It is called Stitch. The other is Claude Code, made by Anthropic. Together, they let one person build a fully working web application. User accounts, subscription payments, the whole product. No coding experience required. I want to walk you through how this workflow runs from beginning to end. I am Paul James. I cover free AI tools and how to build real service income with them. If you are a freelancer or consultant trying to grow on a budget, stay with this one. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the situation most freelancers keep running into. A potential client wants something that actually works as a product, not just a site that looks clean. They want their customers to be able to log in. They want a billing layer attached. They want users to pay for access and come back the following day. The old approach meant one of two things. Either you brought in a developer and the project margin disappeared, or you told the client it was out of scope and walked away from the contract. Neither path built a real business. Every time that conversation happened, the money went somewhere else. The delivery gap was too wide for a solo operator to bridge alone. What we are looking at right now closes that gap. The tools to build a real, functioning product are free. The workflow to use them is learnable in a single afternoon. That is a very different situation than it was even a year ago. I call this combination the solo delivery loop. Here is what that means in plain terms. Google Stitch handles the design generation side of the product. You feed it references and a description. Stitch builds out a full design system from those inputs. Claude Code then handles the functional build side. It reads that design output and converts it into a working application with real backend capability. The solo delivery loop means one person goes from a client brief to a live deployable product. No developer in the room, no agency overhead cutting the margin, just the workflow and the tools to run it. One operator, two free tools, one finished product ready for real users. That is the stack we are working with. 2 tools, 1 workflow, 1 finished product. Now let me break down how Google Stitch actually operates. This is not a typical design tool at all. Stitch is a design generation platform from Google. You start by giving it references. You upload screenshots of interfaces you find visually strong. You paste in the URL of a site you want to draw inspiration from. You describe the product in plain language. Stitch takes all of that and processes it together. The output is not just a rough image or a basic mock-up. Stitch generates a full design system from your inputs. That means real typography selections, color variables and spacing rules built around your reference material, component styles that stay visually consistent across every screen you build from there. Think of it as a visual rulebook your entire project follows. If you ask for a new screen later, it inherits the same rules automatically. That consistency is something agencies spend hours enforcing manually. Stitch builds it in from the start. Here is where things start to get interesting. Once the design direction is locked in, Stitch packages everything for export. You get structured design documentation, your component assets, font choices, and color specifications all organized in one bundle. You are not rebuilding anything by hand on the other side. The visual work is complete the moment you leave Stitch, and that export file is what makes the handoff to Claude Code clean and fast. Most people never realize this next part. A design package is not a deliverable on its own. Clients do not pay for a folder of mockup files. They pay for something their own customers can open, use, and pay through. That is where Claude Code picks up the work. You bring the Stitch export into your editor and open a Claude Code session. You write a plain English prompt, build this into a working app, add user authentication and subscription billing. Make it ready to deploy. Claude Code reads the exported design documentation. It understands the component structure. Then it builds out the actual functionality. It installs what the project requires. It writes the logic. It explains each step so you can follow and guide the output. You are not writing code. You are directing the process and reviewing what comes back at each stage. Stay with me because this next part changes the math entirely. Claude Code can connect your application to a real database for user accounts and authentication. It can walk you through linking a live payment processor. When something needs a credential, it tells you exactly what to get. It shows you where to find it. That is the point where the project crosses a line. It is no longer a design file sitting in a folder. It is a live product with real users able to sign up, log in, and pay. That is the deliverable clients are actually looking for. Back when I was working from my brother's garage, I had no budget, no developer connections either. A client asking for a login system with payments was a lost contract. I did not have the tools to deliver it. What we have right now is a completely different situation for any solo operator. Think about the kinds of service contracts this workflow unlocks. A nutrition coach wants a client portal where members pay monthly and access their custom plans. Coaches charge real money for that kind of product. A small law firm wants an intake flow. Prospective clients submit their details, pay a consultation deposit, and then book a time slot online. A yoga studio wants membership tiers tied to class bookings. A personal finance educator wants a gated library where subscribers pay annually for access. Every one of those is a real product with money behind it. Everyone can be built with this stack. Google Stitch handles the visual layer. Claude Code builds the working backend on top. Here is the twist almost nobody is talking about yet. You do not need inbound client work to get started with this stack. You can build vertical templates on your own schedule. One clean, fully functional application built for the personal training space. Another one designed for wellness coaches who want a subscription content platform. Another one for independent consultants who need a client onboarding and billing flow. Each template is a standalone product. You can sell access to it, you can license it to other operators, or use it as proof when pitching higher value contracts. What these tools cost you is nothing. What a finished working application represents to a small business owner is real leverage. That gap is where the opportunity lives right now. A freelancer with a live, working demo to show is already ahead. This stack is what builds that demo. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me give you a picture of how this plays out. Imagine a freelancer who lands a contract with a small tutoring company. The job is to build a booking and payment platform. The owner wants parents to schedule sessions and pay upfront for a block of lessons. They want to log back in later and check the hours left on their account. A year ago, that project would have gone to a dev agency. It would have come with a long timeline and a large invoice. Now this freelancer opens Stitch. They upload screenshots from 3 platforms they find visually strong. They describe the product structure in plain language. Stitch builds out the design system in a single session. A landing page concept comes back. A login interface is there. A booking flow with a consistent visual identity across all of it. The freelancer exports the package and opens Claude Code with a clear direction. Build this with user accounts and payment integration. Make it live. Claude Code handles each integration step. It walks the freelancer through connecting the payment account. It pushes the finished product to a live URL. The tutoring company gets a working product. Real parents can log in, check their session balance, and rebook. The freelancer closes a contract they could not have taken before this stack existed. The whole build ran in under 2 full days. That is what repeatable delivery looks like. Picture what your client pitch sounds like after you have a build like that behind you. You have a live URL to send. You have a workflow that produces the same result every time. You have real proof you can deliver what agencies charge to produce. Most solo operators are not positioned to have that conversation yet. You will be, and the longer you wait to run this workflow once, the longer that positioning gap stays closed. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you Go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.